Hey guys, I'm Shawn in the studio today in Waco, Texas. We're going to learn another Billy Joel song, one of my favorites, one that nobody knows about, but is one of his best songs in my opinion. It's called Leyna. Let's take a listen. And then the bass comes in. So forth. Guys, fun song. Look it up on YouTube if you've never heard it. This is one of those that not everybody knows about, but it's a great song. I can't get it out of my head. Got a cool piano part to it as well. Of course, Billy Joel is going to have a cool piano part. Guys, welcome to our online piano community at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. All right, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so we have this first part here, part one lesson. We'll do all the lessons on the website, but we'll do this part one right here for YouTube and Facebook. If you are a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this. So that's a really cool thing about being a member. You can download the sheets. And I have lots of other Billy Joel songs on there on the website if you love Billy Joel. Well, let's get to it. All right. Carter, you can go check, see if the pizza's there. We ordered a pizza. I think I hear somebody out there. So you want to go check that. Great. All right. CEA. So this has a lot of wrist action in here. So you want to keep a loose wrist, and I just say flappy. That really helps people when I say just keep it flappy. Because if you tense up, that's going to work against you and make it harder to play. Just stay. So we have CEA 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, so there's no bass to start with. It's just, and if you have a neat keyboard sound, this Kawaii has a really neat one we'll use. I use sometimes. I like to keep it on piano, though everyone else, to be fair to everyone else, just has their acoustic pianos out. Then we have CEA. Then we're going to go to CFA here after the count 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now change that middle note to F. CFA. Only 2 times though. Now back to the E for 2 times. Back to the F 2 times. Back to the E. See that? So E, F, F, E, E, F, F, E. I find it more helpful to kind of memorize the sound and then just follow that. Instead of trying to be a robot and read every single letter, just think da 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 da, and then do that. E, F, F, E, E, F, F, E. So from the beginning, 1. All right, next one. I'm going to use, we go back to CEA, but now I'm going to use 1, 3, 5 because I want to save my 2 finger for the D that's coming right there. C, D, E, C, D, A. So 1 and 2 and then we go to 1, 2, 5 for the rest. B, D, G. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now he does play this differently for when, wherever we are in the song. But this first time he plays it this way with the big letters, I'll show you the different ways he plays it, of course, in the subsequent parts. So from the beginning and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have that neat part coming up, da, 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 and then it goes again, then the left hand will come in. Ah, I missed it. So I try to include that electric guitar part down, the bass part there in the bottom. All right, one more time. When you practice it, I do recommend practicing it slowly. You want to play it slow enough to get it right. Kind of accent where it changes. 1 and 2 and 3. That'll help you really keep track of where you are. Put those accents in there. Then it'll kind of speed them on its own. Before you know it, you'll be off to the races. All right, there's our part 1 lesson. and smell the pizza. So I'm going to have some pizza in a minute. That'll be fun. All right, so this is, again, a great song. Billy Joel, love Billy Joel. Can't get enough of it. See you guys on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.